In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset UKG Pro password. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get back into your account safely and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and search for UKG Pro. Make sure you're heading to the official UKG launch sign-in page. Look for the familiar UKG branding and a trusted URL, and avoid any suspicious or unofficial links. If your company provides a direct link, you can use that as well. On the UKG launch sign-in screen, you'll see the regular login area. Instead of entering your credentials, locate the option that says Create or Reset Your Password. It's typically just below the username and password fields. Click that to begin the reset process. You'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your UKG Pro account. Type it carefully to avoid typos, and use the address your employer has on file for you. If you're unsure which email is linked, check with your HR or IT support before proceeding. Next, click Get My Code. UKG will send a one-time verification code to the email you provided. This might take a moment, so give it a minute to arrive. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder and make sure your mailbox isn't full. Do not share this code with anyone. Open the email and copy the verification code exactly as it appears. Return to the UKG page and paste or type the code into the verification field. Watch out for easy mix-ups, like the letter O versus the number 0. If the code has expired, simply request a new one from the same screen. When the code is entered, click Next to continue. You'll now be guided to create your new password. Carefully follow the on-screen requirements, which typically include a minimum length and a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Choose a strong, unique password you haven't used elsewhere. A memorable passphrase with added numbers and symbols is a great option. Consider saving it in a reputable password manager so you don't lose it. Finally, confirm the new password and complete the prompts on screen. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. Keep your credentials secure and avoid writing them in plain text. If anything doesn't work as expected, or if the email never arrives, reach out to your organization's HR or IT support for help. That's it. Your UKG Pro password is reset and you're ready for your next sign-in.